If you are a homeowner contemplating a move from Staten Island to New Jersey, our specialized relocation course is designed with you in mind. Hi, I'm Allison Moreau, broker owner and founder of Real Realty. I understand the challenges and opportunities that come with relocating. I did it. This course aims to provide you with all the necessary tools, insights, and support to make your transition as smooth and stress-free as possible. From understanding the real estate market differences between Staten Island and New Jersey to navigating the logistics of moving, this course covers it all. We'll dive into reasons why many choose to make the move, the cost of living adjustments, and the greener pastures that await for you in New Jersey. Plus, we'll offer practical advice in finding the perfect neighborhood for you, manage moving expenses, and avoiding common pitfalls. Registration details are below. And remember, you can watch this course at your convenience. I encourage you to sign up. Whether you're seeking a change of scenery, schooling options, or different lifestyles, this course will equip you with everything you need. My name is Allison Moreau, broker owner and founder of Real Realty, and I look forward to helping you relocate to New Jersey.